Welcome to Bodicares Wellness. Are you looking for a natural way to boost your skin health? In today's video, we're revealing the secret to glowing, healthy skin. Avocados. Packed with essential nutrients, avocados are not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your skin. Stay tuned as we dive into how incorporating avocados into your diet can transform your skin from the inside out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more wellness tips and skincare secrets. Let's get started. Avocados, those luscious green fruits often mistaken for vegetables, have long been celebrated not just for their creamy texture and rich flavor, but also for their remarkable health benefits. As I delve into the world of avocados, I find myself captivated by their journey from tree to table and the myriad ways they contribute to achieving great skin health. This narrative unfolds like the layers of an avocado, revealing the secrets of its skin-loving properties, the science behind its benefits, and the stories of those who have embraced this fruit as a cornerstone of their skincare routine. The history of avocados dates back thousands of years to ancient civilizations in Mesoamerica, where they were revered not only for their nutritional value, but also for their beauty-enhancing properties. The Aztecs and Mayans recognized the fruit's potential long before modern science confirmed what they intuitively understood. Avocados are a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats that nourish the body from the inside out. As I explore this rich history, I can almost hear the whispers of those ancient cultures, urging us to embrace the wisdom they left behind. At the heart of avocado's appeal lies its impressive nutrient profile. Packed with monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, avocados provide essential fatty acids that support skin health by maintaining its moisture barrier. This is crucial in a world where pollution, harsh weather, and stress can wreak havoc on our skin. The healthy fats in avocados help to lock in hydration, preventing dryness and flakiness that often lead to premature aging. It's no wonder that many beauty enthusiasts have turned to avocados as a natural remedy for dry skin, seeking solace in the fruit's creamy embrace. As I continue to unravel the benefits of avocados, I encounter a treasure trove of vitamins and minerals that further enhance their skincare prowess. Vitamin E, often hailed as a skin superhero, is abundant in avocados. This powerful antioxidant helps to protect the skin from oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which can accelerate the aging process. The presence of vitamin C in avocados complements vitamin E, working synergistically to promote collagen production and improve skin elasticity. Together, these vitamins create a formidable defense against the signs of aging, leaving skin looking youthful and radiant. In my quest to understand the impact of avocados on skin health, I stumble upon the fascinating world of carotenoids. These naturally occurring pigments, which give avocados their vibrant green color, are also known for their skin-loving properties. Carotenoids, particularly lutein and zeaxanthin, are known to protect the skin from UV damage and improve skin hydration. As I read about their benefits, I can't help but marvel at how nature has equipped avocados with such powerful compounds to shield our skin from environmental aggressors. The journey of incorporating avocados into a skincare regimen is not just about the nutrients they provide. It's also about the experience of using them. The act of slicing open an avocado, revealing its rich green flesh, is almost ritualistic. The creamy texture invites creativity, whether one chooses to mash it into a face mask, blend it into a smoothie, or spread it on toast. Each method of using avocados becomes a celebration of self-care, a moment to pause and indulge in the nourishing qualities of this remarkable fruit. As I delve deeper into the world of avocado-based skincare, I come across countless recipes that highlight the fruit's versatility. One particular recipe stands out: an avocado and honey face mask. The combination of avocado's hydrating properties and honey's natural antibacterial qualities creates a powerful treatment for those with acne-prone skin. The mask not only nourishes the skin, but also helps to soothe inflammation, leaving behind a complexion that feels soft and rejuvenated. I can almost envision the joy of applying this mask, the cool sensation on the skin, and the anticipation of revealing a fresh, glowing face. In my exploration, I also discover the stories of individuals who have transformed their skincare routines with the introduction of avocados. One such story is that of Maya, a young woman who struggled with dry, flaky skin for years. After countless products and treatments that promised miracles but delivered little, she stumbled upon the idea of incorporating avocados into her diet and skincare routine. With each avocado she consumed, Maya noticed a gradual change. Her skin began to glow, and the dryness that had plagued her for so long started to fade. Inspired by her success, she began experimenting with DIY avocado masks, sharing her journey on social media. The community she built around her love for avocados became a source of support and inspiration for others facing similar skin challenges. Another inspiring story is that of Raj, a middle-aged man who had always been skeptical about skincare. He viewed it as a realm reserved for women, but after experiencing a particularly harsh winter that left his skin feeling parched and dull, he decided to give avocados a try. Raj began incorporating avocados into his meals, savoring their rich flavor while also reaping the benefits for his skin. He soon discovered that a simple avocado oil massage could work wonders for his complexion, leaving it hydrated and revitalized. His transformation not only improved his skin, but also shifted his perspective on self-care, leading him to embrace a holistic approach to wellness. These personal narratives illustrate the profound impact that avocados can have on skin health, but they also highlight a broader cultural shift towards natural beauty solutions. In a world inundated with chemical-laden products and quick fixes, many are turning back to nature, seeking out ingredients that are not only effective but also safe and sustainable. Avocados, with their rich history and abundance of nutrients, stand at the forefront of this movement, embodying the idea that true beauty comes from within. As I reflect on the journey of avocados, I can't help but consider the role of sustainability in our pursuit of great skin health. The environmental impact of our choices is increasingly coming into focus, and avocados offer a unique perspective. While the zinnia require specific growing conditions and water resources, their cultivation can also support local economies and promote biodiversity when sourced responsibly. By choosing avocados from sustainable farms, we can enjoy their benefits while also contributing to the health of our planet. The conversation around avocados and skin health is not complete without acknowledging the importance of balance. While avocados are undoubtedly beneficial, moderation is key. Their high-fat content, though healthy, means that consuming them in excess can lead to unwanted weight gain. The same applies to topical applications. While avocado masks can work wonders, it's essential to listen to one's skin and avoid overdoing it. Finding that sweet spot where avocado can enhance our skincare routine without overwhelming our bodies is crucial for long-term success. As I conclude this exploration of avocados and their benefits for skin health, I'm left with a sense of appreciation for this humble fruit. It has woven its way through history, culture, and personal stories, proving time and again that nature often holds the answers we seek. The journey of avocados, from ancient civilizations to modern-day skincare routines, serves as a reminder of the power of simplicity and the beauty of embracing natural solutions. In a world that often feels chaotic and fast-paced, avocados invite us to slow down, to savor the moment, and to prioritize our well-being. They remind us that great skin health is not just a destination, but a journey, one that requires care, intention, and a touch of nature's magic. So the next time you slice into an avocado, take a moment to appreciate its rich history, its nourishing properties, and the joy it brings to your skincare routine. In that simple act, you may just find a path to glowing skin and a deeper connection to the world around you. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned how adding avocados to your diet can help you achieve radiant, healthy skin. Remember, great skin starts from within. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bodicares Wellness for more tips on skincare and healthy living. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.